Let's see the Sears Suburban saw.
Bolt action power sharp. What's power sharp mean?
There's a stone in there. It's got stones?
And it
It's got
automatically
stones.
sharpens it?
Yeah.
No way.
It'll sharpen the top, and then every once in a while you got to file like in that concave area there.
How in the hell? Why don't
There's
these new saws?
I don't know if you can see. See, there's a stone right there. Oh, it's got
Let me
stones.
see. And do you squeeze it once in a while to sharpen it?
You squeeze the stone.
Yeah, you somehow move this lever, and you just kind of grind the tip. So you're going to grind the top of it. And I don't know if it's. I don't think it's very popular because you don't see too many of these. I think it was more of a pain in the ass.
That's your thing to maintain.
What's that blade called?
It's the Barracuda.
It looks like a Barracuda. It looks very aggressive.
It is, but I don't think it caught on too well because I think it's a pain in the ass to sharpen.
Or maybe it's too aggressive.
No, I don't think you can be too aggressive. Because I mean, this isn't even like a logger saw. It's more of like a homeowner saw. But
That is not an average homeowner. That's
Probably from the early 70s.
Mm-hmm. That looks twice as good as my brand new state-of-the-art steel. You know, it's kind of like comparing my Husqvarna with the Suburban. They don't compare.
That's right.
I mean,
Sucks the Varna.
I'll finish where the steel left off.
Thank you.
to get a